lilinisin ko tong kwarto ni Shelton guys kasi nga, tingnan nyo naman ayan, magulo, mga trash niya andyan. Ito, grabe talaga yung anak ko guys. Ito. Ayusin ko to. Yeah?
Mom, my karaoke, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did you? You have to clean up. Hoy, you have to do laundry because I'm gonna do laundry. Oh, sus. Look at your...
I know.
Pero okay daw
I need
siya.
to clean up my room also because it's like very messy.
Clean up.
This is outside.
Yung ka-Shelton talaga grabe. Super duper. Ayan. Laundry. Sa wakas guys, tapos na ako maglinis ng bedroom ni Shelton at naayos ko na rin yung kanyang closet. Tara! Ayan, natupi ko na. Hindi na parang mukhang basura yung kanyang bedroom closet. Ayan, natupi ko na. Yung mga pillows andyan. Inayos ko na rin. Tapos yung mga blanket doon sa taas. Ayan. Naayos ko na. Yung mga ano niya. Yung mga tawag ito. Damit niya na nakahanger. Hindi ko na siya inano guys. Tawag ito. Ano yung kulay ba? Yung pare-pareho yung kulay ng hanger. Kasi nga, ganoon din naman. Mga bukas yan. Hindi na yan magkaka-uniform yung mga hanger. Kaya, hindi ko na inayos. Tapos, ayan, yung TV niya, pinush ko doon sa gilid. Tapos, yung kanyang gaming chair, ayan. At ang table niya, nilipat ko dito. Doon yan kanina. So, nilipat ko siya para maganda tingnan. Tapos, ayan, malinis na yung kanyang room. Ayan. Malinis na, wala ng kalat. Bukas na naman to, baka makalat na naman to bukas. Kasi, ayan, kanyang bedroom, malinis na. Nai-stress kasi ako guys, sa kanya. Kasi sabi ko, maglinis ka ng bedroom mo. Sabi niya, tapos na ako maglinis. Tapos hindi ko kinaya guys. Hindi ako kontento. Kaya talagang nilinis ko talaga. Sobrang dami na mga basura. Yung mga wrapper na mga candies, ganyan. Sa mga drawers niya. Diyan. Talagang inayos ko talaga. Tapos ngayon wala lang basura. At yung mga ano niya, yan mga underwear niya, ayan. Yung mga damit niya, yan. Maayos na yan, papunta sa baba. So, wala nang kalat. Tingnan natin mga 1 week. Ito kung talaga bang consistent to na malinis yung kanyang room. Kasi wala nang kalat talaga.
Where are we going?
We're going to eat dinner outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
With who?
With Daddy, Mommy, Sisi, and brother.
With what?
Brother is...
Ow, ow, ow.
Where is brother?
I school.
Go, see? You know already. And then you're asking me.
Ow, food.
Don't step your iPad, please. I just said don't step ba? I'm gonna hide that. And you will not use it anymore.
No, pa.
Give it to mommy.
I can reach because I'm a big boy now.
Big boy now kada. Dali ba? Tubag pa ka dong. Na.
Mom, I'm a big boy now.
You're a big boy now. No, you're not.
But you said last night.
Oh, okay, you're a big boy now.
Yeah.
So, mag-aayos lang ako guys kasi nga aalis kami, pupunta kami ng di ko alam kung saan kami mag-dinner kasi nga ano namin ngayon 16th year
It's not.
anniversary namin ngayon guys ni asawa, di ba? 16 years na kaming married. So, isi-celebrate namin yung aming anniversary sa labas. At isasama namin yung tatlo kasi nga parang hindi kumpleto guys pag hindi ko kasama yung mga anak ko mag-celebrate. Parang Parang andun nga kami, pero alam mo yung iniisip mo sila pag andito lang sila sa bahay tapos andun kami sa labas. So, okay lang sa amin magsi-celebrate kami ng anniversary na kasama namin yung tatlo. Kasi nga, ayaw namin silang maiwan dito. Tapos gusto ni asawa mag-hire ng babysitter. Pero sabi ko, isama na lang natin sila kasi nga parang hindi din ako kontento na wala sila. Kasi pag umaalis kami, lagi namin silang kasama talaga kahit saan kami pupunta. Lagi namin silang kasama. So, yes, mag-aayos lang ako. Para pagdating ni asawa, kasi si asawa ngayon is nag-work. So, para pagdating niya, ready na ako, siya naman yung magre-ready. Yeah, so you're?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go.
What?
Oh, let's turn off the light over there.
Why?
In the kitchen. Ow!
Why, Mom? Come here, Mom.
Come on.
What's that?
Wow, na-surprise ako. Hindi pa siya ready, oh. Nakababa ko lang galing taas. Wow! Nice kaayo! Yan, oh. May pink balloon. Alam kasi niya, guys, na pink ang gusto kong kulay. Wow! Ah, ang ganda.
Hi, Jay. Is Sam here?
Lemon. Oh, so cute.
Hi.
Yes, it is here.
Okay, stay there.
Ready na si asawa, guys. So, alis na kami. Uy, hindi pala ako. Shoes! Sawyer sa the Under Armour shoes, not the Crocs. Mag-ano lang ako, maglagay ako ng aking socks. Cute ng ng cake namin. So, ready na kami, guys, sa aming dinner. Anniversary dinner. Ayan yung tatlo. Ayaw namin kasi kaming dalawa lang ni asawa ang pupunta mag-dinner. Gusto namin kami lahat. So, we are here. We are here at Longhorn. Aray ko.
Mom, I have 80 followers now.
You have?
You have what?
Gustuhan niya yung top niya all the time. Yan yung sinusuot niya.
House, which is filet on one side in New York.
Oh.
The rib might be good.
Andito na kami, guys. Nakaupo na kami. And si asawa.
Yes.
Your mouth. Your tissue. Starter muna kami, guys. Shrimp.
That's why you look like that. That's it. Sire, who's this? What is this?
Oh, I'm gonna squeeze it.
Hot.
I'm gonna sit my belly. My food out there.
Ayun mo sila.
Who's this? Yes, who's this?
You like it? You like it?
Remember when we went to Longwood and Sharon and Brandon? What film was that, Max? Yeah.
Madison.
It's American.
That's
That's what they built that
Leo.
new Longwood.
You like that?
Like Jerry said, that Ichiban is garbage.
Yan na. Si asawa. Ooh, what you got, Sawyer? Fries, burger. Kakain na kami.
Look at like here. Look at
Can I try one?
Yeah, this one.
That one's too big.
Color's perfect.
I need a skinny one.
Not, hold on, I have to.
So any cooked right so far?
That's great. I don't know about the burger. That's when he bit into it.
The what?
When he bit into the burger, he goes,
That's good?
I think that's good.
I took that one too.
Oh my gosh.
It's good.
That juice too. That first bite is just straight juice.
Sorry. So, the next few times, after years after, we come in, we sit down. You can always tell when it's a new person. The host is walking.
I got the side ones stuff.
People walk by, and then you see it just some of the girls, they all go, it seems like this. And I'm like, and then they found out that the two were negative.
Sweet potato.
Big? Can I get the big bowl?
It's not a ballpark, it's kind of big.
Look at that, look.
Juicy.
That look. Look.
And then another one is the second monster.
You use this one? And dessert namin. Paubos na.
I'm done with it.
You're so full?
Yeah.
Oh, so. Bossing Sawyer. He's happy because he's full.
Sorry,
He is paying the bill.
Sorry.
Grabe ka. Ginaw guys. Lamig. Kami lang dito tao sa Starbucks. Luto!
They wouldn't be emergency.
Susu, no running! Nag-crave si asawa ng Starbucks coffee. Hi! What did you order? Cake pop? Oh, okay. Ang lamig sa labas, guys. Tapos na ako naligo. Tapos nag-aya siya ng pumunta dito. Sa ang buhok ko. Ah, okay. They put it over there. Bring it, so. Bring it. My God, you should put it in here, Schultz. Where's Sissy?
Right here.
I know he likes this one.
Where are we gonna go next, Jay? We're going home.
Wala, sige, that's coffee.
Oh, chocolate. She likes chocolate. Good.
Good. Come on, let's go. Daddy, grilled cheese.
I'm gonna kill you.
You still have a... Oh! My gosh, stir. Ay, sobrang lamig. Tingnan nyo yung buhok ko, guys. Oh, sobrang lamig at very windy. Aray ko.